Okay, just a quick thing on value engineering, because this comes up occasionally, but one thing, if you are currently with design bid build, remember past couple years, the dollar thresholds for value engineering went up, which pretty much doubled what the existing ones were. And so if you're already doing it under design bid build, how many have done value engineering? Did you think it was worth doing a value engineering? Well, here, did you do it because you had to, or did you see the benefit of it? Wow, nobody wants to answer that one. Okay, here. Ideally for federal highways, for those X dollar projects, did I have it on? Yeah, where's it at? Oh, yeah, 50 million and 40 million. If it's, that's per the NEPA document scope. A VE is required, as far as I know from our headquarters discussion over the years. There are no waivers. You will do a VE if required. However, for design build, not required, but again, encouraged to help, again, pointing out the potential efficiencies of cost and time for your project. A little bit more on value engineering. Recognize ATCs are in essence a VE during advertising letting process, tied to the criteria that you're trying to establish. Okay, if the state uses a design-build approach to deliver a project, what is available to value engineers? Well, again, just trying to emphasize value engineering. It's sort of the definition you can sort of read for yourself, but I wanted to point out there is a best practices section of Federal Highways VE Accomplishment Report. And another thing to point out for federal highways, which are 23 CFR 636 is written, it's written in more of a Q&A type approach, meaning it's a simple 1 or 2 sentence question, and in most cases a couple line response or answer to make it easier for the layman to, or public to read off the street. Or in the old days, we would take the United States Code, put it in the CFR, and it would still have a lot of the lawyer lingo terms and stuff in it, which was pretty dry. So we've tried to make it a lot more interesting for the common user off the street. So anytime you see a Q&A from Federal Highways, and it's not answering your questions, at least on the stuff Jerry and I are talking to you, please let us know, and you may actually go back and change it to help give you more information depending upon your interest.